So I'm Liam Freeman, and I am presenter and co-founder of The Backroads. When I was younger, rally was the thing that really captivated me and my imagination. And the more that I dived deeper into this world, the more my love of Porsche developed with their 70s and 80s Porsche 911 and 959 Group B era rally cars. That love of Porsche continued to develop for their road cars such as the G-Series 911, the 924, the 944 and 964 body types. So much so that I ended up purchasing a 944 S2 as my first step into the Porsche world. I've owned this car for just over a year, but I have owned 944s for just over 3 years now. The 944 S2 was introduced in 1989 and is the second iteration of the 944 S platform. The S2 basically shares the same platform with the 944 Turbo, except instead of having a 2.5 litres turbocharged 16-valve engine, it has a naturally aspirated 3-litre 16-valve engine with around 210 brake horsepower. This is incredibly unique to the car because for a long time it was the largest production 4-cylinder engine on the market. I bought this S2 with the intention to make it into my dream 944. Clean, subtle, but has details oozing from it that you just wouldn't notice from a distance. To me, that's what a Porsche build should be. Tasteful and an extension of your personality. Sure, people could argue that Porsche made it a certain way and therefore shouldn't be changed. But to me, these cars are so much more than that. In my eyes, Porsche has provided a platform for us, the drivers, to leave our mark. A little artistry to a car that can bring so much joy and memories. And that's exactly why we chose the 944 to create a project build series and, well, perfect it until it resembles the canvas that's in my mind. This S2 is currently a blank canvas, one which we'll be adding our own mark to over the course of the coming year and beyond. Modifying the wheels, the suspension, engine, interior, and body to an OEM-plus style. Perhaps what the 944 S3 would have been if it hadn't become the 968. We started using Design 911 for our project series back in 2021, starting on our original project 944 S2 to the one we have today. Design 911 has played a key role in allowing us to restore and revive our project cars back to a level that ultimately we desire. Quality plays a big part in what parts we apply to this car, and their catalogue offers an abundance of choice for us. Aftermarket support for the 944 has only really just started to get into its stride, and Design 911 has continuously been updating their variety to help keep more of these arguably underappreciated Porsches on the road. The 944 has allowed something that many other classic Porsches can't, an entry point. Somewhere young car enthusiasts can find their way into an otherwise prestigious and rather pricey market without breaking the bank. And that's something that is unique to the 924 and the 944 platform. Even though the 911 is often everyone's dream Porsche, the Porsche underdogs have paved way for the next generation of Porsche enthusiasts to have their say and grow with the community.